Students, now you are going to learn chapter 4 geometry. In chapter 4 you are going to learn the topic parts of a circle. Already you are learned some of the properties related to circle. Yes students? Yes. For it is an example for some of the circular shape. For it is circular shape, for it is top of this, for wheel of the bicycle, for it is, you refer with this. Yes, circle. Now, what is a circle? Define circle. A circle is the set of all points in a plane at a constant distance from a fixed point. What is a circle? Circle is a circle is the set of all points in a plane at a constant distance from this fixed point. Yes, it is the fixed point, constant distance here to here, here to here, here. From center to the circumference. This is called a circumference. Yes, students. So, constant distance from center to the circumference. That is, the center point is called the fixed point. Okay. Yes. The fixed point is the center of the circle. The constant distance corresponds to a radius of the circle. The constant distance we said, for here to here. This is called a radius. Next, a line that cuts the circle into 2 points is called a secant of the circle. Okay, secant. A line that cuts the circle into 2 points is called the secant of the circle. Suppose you have to consider this is a circle. It cuts the circle into 2 points. Okay, students, yes, this is called secant. This line cuts at 2 points. This is called secant of the circle. The line segment whose end points lie on the circle is called a chord. End points. This is called chord. End points lie on the circle. This line segment, end points lie on the circle. This is called, it is secant, it is chord. A chord of a circle that has a center is called a diameter of the circle. Yes, so that is the chord. Suppose chord passes through this center of the circle, it is called a diameter. Okay, yes, the circumference of a circle is its boundaries. What is the circumference? This boundary line is called a circumference. Okay, students, now you have to refer with this diagram. For this is a circle, it is center point. Here to here it is called radius. The full length, the line passes through the center point is called a diameter. AB is the diameter. OB is radius. This is chord. Yes, RS and PQ and AB. The longest chord. Yes. What is the meaning of chord? The 2 points, yes, line segment whose end points lies on the circle. Yes, this is chord. This is chord. This also chord. This is called a diameter. So longest chord is diameter. Okay. So a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord of the circle. Okay, students. Yes, you have to observe this picture. Yes, we have some of the points on the circle P, Q, R, S. For here denoted some red color, this is called a curve. Okay, what is this? Curve or arc. Yes, it is smaller arc. Yes, this is smaller arc. That blue color is larger arc. Okay, yes. So that is, now place 4 points P, R, Q and S on the same circle. Then P, R, Q and Q, S, P. S are the continuous parts of the circle. These parts, this is called a section. It is smaller section. It is larger section. Yes, students. Yes. Now, how you read this? Arc PRQ. Arc QSP. How you read this? It is denoted by arc PRQ. Arc PRQ. It is arc QSP. Okay. Otherwise, simply by PQ. Their endpoints we have to denote. Arc PQ. Arc. Yes, that is arc QP. It is PQ QP. Okay, students, this continuous part of a circle is called the arc of the circle. Okay, yes, usually the arcs are denoted, usually arcs denoted into anti-clockwise direction. Arcs we have to denote anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise means this is clockwise. Anti-clockwise, yes, that is PQ, arc PQ, arc QP. Okay, students, yes. Now this is called a minor arc. Small arc is called a minor arc. Is called a minor arc. QP is called a major arc. This larger part is there. Larger section is major arc. This is minor arc. Observe this picture, students. Yes, for now this is a major segment, this is a minor segment. In the previous picture we observed that minor arc and major arc, that minor arc makes a minor segment, the major arcs makes a major segment. Yes, that is the region which is surrounded by the chord. Yes, surrounded by the chord PQ. This is a chord, this chord divides this circle into two segments. It is smaller segment, that is minor segment, it is major segment. Okay, segment is made by with this chord. Okay, students, yes. Now some of the important properties for diameter. It is very important one word question, students, you have to learn well. A diameter of a circle is the line segment which bisect the circle. Diameter bisect the circle. Largest chord of a circle is dash, which is diameter. A line of symmetry for the circle. It is a line of symmetry. Okay, twice in the length of radius in a circle. Diameter is twice in the length of a radius in a circle. How you read this? A diameter of a circle is the line segment which bisect the circle. The diameter of a circle is the largest chord of a circle. The diameter of a circle is line of symmetry for the circle. A diameter of a circle is twice in the length of radius in a circle. You have to read like this. Okay, students? Yes? Okay. Now you are going to learn concentric circles. Yes, circles with the same center but different radii. Same center but different radii. Radii means plural form of radius is called a concentric circles. For example, for this is for we have more circles but the center point is same, radius is different. Yes, for here to here one radius, it is another one radius, it is another one radius. Yes, each one the radius are different. Okay, this is like this circles are called concentric circles. Yes, next congruent circles. Congruent circles means two circles are congruent if they are copies of one another. Yes, or identical. Each one looks the same. It is called a congruent circle. This is, they have the same size. Congruent means both the circles have in the same size. This is called a congruent circle. Examples for congruent circle. Yes, bullock cart wheel. Yes, bullock cart wheel. So these two are same size. Yes, so these two are congruent. For the Olympic rings, these are congruent. Yes, same circles, same size. So these are congruent. Example for congruent. Okay, now you have to observe this. Yes, for the point P lies inside the circle. It is center. Outside the circle, what are the point? It is called outside the circle. The point P lie on the circle. Okay, it is inside point. It is on the circle. It is outside the circle. Okay, students, what is the meaning? It is center point. It is inside point. It is on the circle point. It is outside the circle point. Okay, then this also one word question. Consider this. OP is equal to radius. OP is a radius if the point lies on the circle. OP radius means if the point lies on the circle, OP is less than radius. OP is radius is more than this OP if the point P lies inside the circle. Yes, radius is more inside the circle. Next OP greater than radius if the point lies outside the circle. Okay, so a circle divides a plane on which it lies into three parts. Okay.